I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee before your workout. Preparing coffee before your workout offers several advantages. It can significantly boost your focus and energy levels, helping you feel more alert and ready to tackle your routine. Caffeine is known to improve physical performance and endurance, allowing you to push harder. Plus, it often reduces the perceived effort of exercise, making your workout feel a bit easier. When choosing your coffee, simplicity is key. Black coffee is ideal as it avoids unnecessary sugars and calories that could upset your stomach or hinder your goals. A medium roast often provides a balanced caffeine kick without being overly intense. For brewing, methods like drip coffee or a pour-over are straightforward and deliver a clean cup, perfect for a quick pre-workout boost. Timing your coffee intake is crucial for maximum benefit. Aim to drink it approximately 30 to 60 minutes before you start exercising, allowing the caffeine to fully kick in. A common serving size is 1 to 2 cups, which typically provides 100 to 200 milligrams of caffeine. Remember to adjust this amount based on your personal tolerance and how sensitive you are to caffeine. For the best pre-workout coffee experience, always start with fresh, cold water and quality coffee beans. This ensures a superior taste and aroma. Don't forget to keep your coffee maker clean. A well-maintained machine extracts flavors optimally. And while coffee gives you a boost, staying hydrated throughout your workout is equally important. A good water bottle can make all the difference. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.